Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, life is a crucible, and you have to be the eye of the hurricane. What do I mean by this? So, life is a crucible, and it's not such a bad thing. It is something you should embrace. Life will get rid of all your attachments and addictions for you. It will make situations such that anything you attach yourself to, your money, your fame, your properties, your relationships, anything you attach to that is not you, it will take away from you. And that it will do so that you realize you're not all those things. Okay. You might think of yourself as this identity which is attached to your religion, your culture, your parents, your name, your fortune. But are those things really you? What is truly you is when you let everything else fall apart. And what cannot fall apart, that is you. And life will make sure you learn this lesson. So, whatever you attach to will slowly, your knowledge will fade away. You know, people think knowledge is forever, it will fade away. Your skills will fade away. Your strength, your autonomy also might fade away in the future. A lot of things that you attach yourself to will slowly be taken away from you. It might not happen soon, it might happen later. But if you're too addicted to it, if you're too attached to something, life will take that away from you. And then you'll have to sit with yourself and realize you are not what you attach yourself to. You are who are you? Now, you are this moment. Everything can be taken from you, but this present moment will never be taken from you. And what you do in this present moment, that is who you are. Your actions, you breathing right now, is you. Life cannot take that away from you. So, the crucible of life is a mentor, is a teacher that is telling you that accept yourself for who you are and let go of all the attachments that you have. And this will create a storm around you. Okay. Everything in life can go into chaos around you. You don't have to deal with that. You have to stay calm. You have to stay composed. You have to be the eye of the hurricane. When your life is the crucible, as we explained, you have to become the eye of the hurricane, completely calm, completely composed, and focus on your growth, focus on your healing, focus on what you want to do in life, focus on your vision for your life. Keep taking steps. It doesn't matter if things are happening, circumstances are against you, it doesn't matter. Just keep going to work, keep doing your chores, keep growing, and keep taking steps for the vision you have in the future. Put yourself on top priority. Don't be self centered, be self aware. Okay, now let's talk about emotions because this is what I see coming from you, that how can you be the eye of the hurricane when there's such a crazy hurricane all around you, right? Emotions are past stories or traumas or addictions. Why do I say that? Every emotion you have, you attach a story of the past with it. And that story dictates how you feel. Okay. All right. So think about any emotion you have. It's just a physical sensation in the body, right? You don't have to attach yourself to that. You can experience it, you can acknowledge it, you can accept it, and then it goes away. Like you can feel a pit in your stomach. You can observe it, you can experience it, and once you do that for a while, it will go away. But you attach a story to it that the last time I felt a pit in my stomach, this was happening, which made me very sad. Now I'm sad remembering that time in the past. Okay, I'll give you a proof. So I met a person during my internship. I met a person. They were suffering with clinical depression. They had they had thoughts that weren't really good. I wouldn't say the S word right now, and they were dealing with a lot. And their story was very sad as well. and you could feel the pain through the words they were saying, right? Um, we had a chat as well, and then they got an ECT done. Okay, when ECT happens, your brain is stimulated with electrical signals and your memories get jumbled up. Now you cannot remember the past. You know what happened? She was really happy because she didn't even know why she was sad. The past story has a lot of hold on us, but we are not the past and we are not the story we are telling ourselves. We are this present moment. And I can tell you to interpret the past in a positive way. Sure. You don't even need to do that. You just need to live your present moment to your fullest self. You know, embody your highest callings and live from that. Have an inspiring vision for yourself for the future, and then make that the priority of your life, and then live for that vision. Everything you do, all the steps you take it for yourself, for your growth, for your evolution. So you don't have to make emotions a reason for resistance. To be the eye of the hurricane, emotions are just a tool that you use to motivate yourself to your goals. They are never resistance. And if you feel they are, it's a story you're telling yourself about a past trauma that you don't have to use, that you don't have to give power to. You can just stay present in the moment and focus on your life. Give yourself complete awareness, be self aware, work on your self esteem, work on your inner child, sure, but always know you are this present moment. And whatever circumstances are happening in life, they are somehow they are the best things that are happening to you. It doesn't look that way right now. It might look very sad. It might look very chaotic. Seeing your life in such a chaos might feel like nothing is happening nothing is going right. Nothing is happening that is in my favor. It is in your favor. You just don't realize it yet. You don't know how in favor of you it is till you reach the future. That's when you realize the worst thing that is happening right now is the best thing for the future. So everything works out for you if you work for yourself. That's it. I hope you like this video. Think of yourself as surrendering to the wisdom of the universe, letting the river of universe carry you to your goals. And all you need to do is not hold on to rocks, not attached to anything that is not you, and let the universe carry you to your goals, to your vision, to your highest callings. So, thank you very much. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, share. Maybe this video will help out somebody else that you can share it to. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great life. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Peace.